Hey guys, it is Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell, I have changed my hair. I was really bored with my hair. I wanted to do like a hair makeover video. My hair is so long and it's just been the same for so long. I was just so bored with it. I love having long hair, but I felt like it was always just hanging there and it made me look young and kind of drab and it never had any like life to it. So I wanted to do like a mini makeover on my hair, give it a little bit more life. I just feel like it's so fine. Sometimes it just hangs there. So in this video today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I applied the Amazing Beauty tape-in hair extensions, and I'm also going to show you guys how I cut these kind of long bangs. I love how versatile they are. I feel like they add a little something to my face. They give it a little shape, and I can also wear them like a million different ways. I can totally like put them off to a side bang. Like they're just like super versatile, but I'm kind of loving this little bang thing I have going on. I feel like I'm honestly going to cut a little bit shorter as the day goes on because I'm just really feeling it, and I feel like if they were a little shorter, they'd probably be even cuter. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome, hello. I'm so glad you're here, and if you would like to see how these tape and extensions work, how I applied them, I'm gonna give you guys a discount code to get a little bit of money off so you can get them a little bit cheaper, and also watch my quarter life crisis bang transformation I just went through. Then you can go ahead and keep on watching this video. So Amazing Beauty was nice enough to send me 2 packs of hair for this video. This is what the box looks like when you get it. Super cute, super chic. Inside are the 2 packs of hair. I got ombre since my hair is lighter on the ends, and I'm shocked how well this actually matches. I will leave all the info down below in the description box of the color, the length, and everything. So if you guys want to check them out, you can see the exact shade that I'm using. It also came with some combs. And then they gave me some of these lashes, which I'm assuming is like a brand they work with, but they're just some natural hair lashes, but they look really nice, so I'll give them a shot. Okay, so as far as prep work, you want your hair to be clean, so I've just washed it today. I only used a little bit of mousse right at the top here because I'm not going to be putting any extensions in that area, but other than that, I only conditioned my ends. You don't want to have any excess oils from either your head that naturally occur or from conditioners or styling products, so try to not use any product. If you have to condition, only do it on the ends. I have to, or I can't comb through my hair because it's so long, so I just did the ends from like here down, just so there's no moisture or oil at the base where they'll be attaching near my scalp, because that will keep them from properly adhering to be nice and strong and stay in for the 6 to 10 weeks that Amazing Hair advertises that these should last you. So these are the 20-inch extensions. So they're gonna be nice and long. My hair is super long, so I need that extra length in them. Each pack has 20 pieces. So you're gonna be sandwiching 2 of them together. So you should get 10 out of each package. If you have really short hair, you're probably going to need more of that. Just be well informed right now. Because my hair is already long, I'm applying these just for thickness. So I'm not going to need as many. I'm not going to be doing a full head. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can apply these to get more thickness to your hair if your hair is already long or medium length, and it's just going to give it that extra oomph. It's going to give you that Victoria's Secret hair, really voluminous, very big, really healthy looking. Basically the hair of your dreams. We all want Victoria's Secret model hair, so that's what we're going for today. You're going to get these in the package as well. These are little extra tapes, so you're going to be able to use these to reapply tape onto the hair extensions to reuse them. So that's another cool thing about these is you can reuse them. After you wear them, you can put fresh tape on and actually reuse these extensions. So balling on a budget, you're gonna get more for your money that way. Just to give you guys an up close look before I start doing it on my head, there is tape already on these. So this is 2 wefts. As you see, I'm gonna be putting one underneath the thin section of hair. After I take this off, this is gonna be sticky. This is the tape. And then the hair is going to go on there. You're gonna take the paper off the second one, and then you're going to put it on top of the hair, essentially creating a little sandwich with your hair, but that is how you're going to secure them into the hair. So I'm gonna try to do this as best as I can so you guys can actually see. Okay, so since I like to wear my hair up a lot, and since I'm just doing it for thickness, I'm gonna go a couple inches up from the nape of my neck. So I'm gonna section this off and clip it away. So as you can see, I've got a little bit of room in there, so when I put my hair up, I'm not gonna see that first track. So I'm gonna start on this side. I'm going to take a thin section of hair. So I'm gonna take this thin section of hair. You guys can see I've sectioned it off right there. I've got the tape off of that track so it's nice and sticky. You're gonna wanna hold this hair up, place your track directly beneath it, and then bring the hair down and kind of press it in place. So here's a really cool thing. I didn't like how that one applied. It didn't feel like it was close enough to my scalp. So I literally was able to peel it off, and I'm gonna replace it now. So as you can see, that one is securely in there, pretty close. I like to get my fingers in there and kind of get the edge of it so I know that the edges are lining up perfectly in the parts that I can't see. And then you just go ahead and seal it on. A tip I also saw is to take a flat iron and kind of clamp it just 3 seconds, and it really adheres that tape together, so it's gonna stay in there nice and tight, and you're not gonna have it slipping. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another one right next to it. As you can see, I've got another section sectioned off just the same. I'm gonna put this one underneath and push the hair down on it so it adheres. Make sure that hair is right in the middle of it. And then I'm gonna take my second one, match up that first edge, and press it down to match. Take your flat iron, heat that up for about 3 seconds, really seal it in, and your first layer is done. So I went up about 1 inch from that, took a slightly larger section, and I'm just gonna repeat that process across there. So I do want to show you guys a midway clip. Right now I have 14 separate pieces, so I have 7 sandwiched extensions in my hair. And you can already see the difference in thickness. So if you are a girl with long hair but fine hair like me, I can already tell the difference in the thickness of my hair just from doing the 7 sandwiches. Like I showed you guys in the demo, I did 2 rows of 2, and then on the next row up, I actually did 3, a little bit higher than my ear. I think I might just add a few more. I'll probably end up using like the 10 that came in the pack. But so far, I'm really impressed with the thickness of this. I don't feel them at all. Like the tape is so flat and thin that I don't feel like I have a lot on my scalp right now, which I've done clip-ins, I've done tape-ins before, and I always felt like you could kind of feel them. Like just to kind of experiment putting my hair in a ponytail, I don't feel them at all. Like it doesn't feel like I'm pulling anything. And oh my God, my ponytail is gonna be so nice and thick. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna put just a few more sandwiches in here. Oh my God, this is it. I'm about to be hooked to tape and extensions, because once I get this thickness and take these out, I'm never gonna wanna go back. You guys, the thickness of this, I'm so obsessed. I have fine hair. Like, you guys know my hair is super long, but it always bothers me that it looks kind of like fine and stringy sometimes and just lifeless. And I feel like this just gave it the oomph that I need. And honestly, I don't feel the tape-ins. I don't feel like I have anything in my hair right now. So that is super impressive. Now, the other part of this video is I fell into a Pinterest hole the other day because I just felt bored with my hair. I didn't know, I'm like, should I dye it all dark again? Should I keep my ombre? Should I cut it? Like, what should I do? I was in this like hair funk and I just wanted to change something so badly. So I fell into a Pinterest hole of bangs. You guys are probably like, what the f? She's gonna cut bangs right now. But I saw a photo, and if I can find it again, I'll throw it up on the screen here. But I found these like center parted, long, Bridget Bardot-esque modern bangs that I was like, I feel like that would give me enough change without cutting my hair, and it'll also give me something that I could play with or leave down when I put my hair up or half up, and just give me like a new style to play around with. So f it, we're doing bangs. So first I want to center part my hair because I want them to be even, and then that'll also give me the option though to wear them to either side. If I want to change up my style a little bit, I can kind of play with them on either side. So I want them to be centered first. I'm going to start with this front triangle of my hair I'm kind of creating. I'm going to clip the rest of my hair back. I'm going to start first with this section, and then I'll bring more up as needed. You can always take off more, but you can't put it back unless you put tape and extensions on the front of your head, which wouldn't work. So let's start with this. My hair is so long and I feel like it just hangs there. There's nothing. There's no framing, there's no shape. So this is gonna give us back a little bit of that shape. These are professional shears. I have my cosmetology license. These are from Rusk. I've had these for years. I love them. So we're just gonna dive on in and cut off some length. So let's center part this again. And I love cutting with a razor. If you guys are stylists, you'll know what I'm saying, but I love cutting with a razor because it just gives you a more like feathery look. So I'm literally just gonna start like chiseling to make the face frame of this. I feel like when I was younger, I was way weirder about cutting my hair. Like I had like a weird attachment to it. Clearly no longer the case. Oh, I'm loving this already. Okay. The cool thing about a razor is you can see I'm doing this like sawing motion, natural gradual cut like that. All right, so we've got a good start to the face frame. I'm just diving right in. I'm doing the center. Let's do it. And who knows, maybe I'll find a cut along the way that I really like and I won't even go into full bangs. You never know what's gonna happen. We're getting somewhere now. If you guys are kind of watching what I'm doing, I'm just coming from the center and gradually razoring pieces shorter just to kind of figure out where I'm going as far as shape. So this has already kind of given me this cool little face framey piece that I can kind of like bend and do more of a style with, but I really want to get those actual bangs. You guys can see it's already giving us a bit of framing here. Don't worry, I'm gonna get this better. Like I said, we're just gonna baby step it. I'm gonna flat iron this and put a little bend into it so that I can see like shape-wise where we're going. I'm bullshitting, I'm baby stepping, and I feel like we gotta go all or nothing with these bangs. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Okay, so let's match this on the other side. Okay, so I feel like putting up this part of my hair is gonna give me a better visual of bangs, so we're doing a impromptu top knot that actually looks pretty legit. I'm at the point now where I'm like, do I just go super fucking short with these? Because I've already got like the whole face frame thing going on. So I think we're sticking with this length for now because I need some adjustment time to get ready to this, but don't be surprised if these go shorter. They're already cut, so don't be surprised if you see me with shorter bangs in like the next video. But to wrap this video up, this is the Amazing Beauty hair. They did give me a code for you guys to get you $10 off your order. So if you use the code ABHSarah, I think it's ABHSarah, I'll have it linked down below, the link of where you can find them and also the code. It's gonna get you guys $10 off. So it's gonna give you a little bit of a deal on these extensions. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of feeling these bangs right now. I felt a little Selena for a minute, but these bangs are really starting to grow on me. I will have all the info down below for you guys to check out these tape and extensions. I'm a little obsessed because I love the fact that I could add just a little bit more thickness to my hair. This is human hair. You can style it, you can wash it, you can literally treat it like it's your own hair. So they're an awesome product and they're really easy to use. Like anybody could do it. You don't need to be a professional. It's kind of like extensions for dummies in a way, which I'm not mad about. So thank you guys for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss anything else. Leave me some comments what you thought about this video. Let me know if you're feeling these bangs. I'm kind of liking the new look. I was a little bored. My hair was getting drab all one length. And the thickness of these tape-ins is just giving me life right now. Make sure you guys are following me on all my other social media because I post a ton of crap constantly. I will have my face on the screen here per usual. If you click it, you will be subscribed to my channel and I will also have some other videos for you guys to check out as well. But I think that is all I have to say right now. So until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.